Hey guys, this is Abir and thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time watching this video, I thank you for coming and clicking on this video. In this video, I'll be talking about the FOMO, the fear of missing out, as well as Tesla stock, Ford stock, and compare both of those with Nikola stock, and why people are investing in Nikola company. So this is what's the premises of this video. But if this is the first time you're on this channel, I thank you and would request you to subscribe to this channel. On this channel I make investing videos and how and which companies am I investing in. So it's basically my investing journey, as well as some feedback that I provide on my progress in a stock market. Basically, I'm a cloud engineer, and professionally I work as a AWS certified cloud engineer. But cutting it short, let's jump on to this video. I have gathered a few data points where I'll be showing you guys the stuff that goes into this research and the research that I have done. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So if you come here, the first page I wanted to share with you all is the Google Trends. So see here, the blue line here represents Tesla stock, and the red line here represents Nikola stock. So Nikola, the ticker symbol is NKLA. So this is stock. If you talk about the Tesla stock, went shoot up, close in the first week of February, and then still riding the wave of a lot of Robinhood investors who have invested in Tesla stock. But if you compare it with Nikola, it was a quiet ride for Nikola until past couple of months. I would say in month of May it has started, and since then it's booming. The stock value has gone up like crazy, and then we'll get into the details on numbers a little later in this video. But for now, you can see that stocks trend on Google Trends, and you can see a little bit of red line. All of this is happening at the end of the last couple of months. So this is it. Nikola stock price is going crazy, and it seems like Nikola is basically on track to become the second Tesla. But can it become second Tesla? It's a big question. So I had this other thing that I wanted to share with you guys. It's a Reddit, and if you go on Reddit and under investing subreddit, we are seeing people talking about Nikola stock. So obviously a lot of people just like me think that it is overhyped company, and I honestly and personally think that it might not worth anything close to what it is today. So Nikola has basically private investment in public equity investors that not sure about. Like, I'm not defending this claim, but what I'm saying is this $52 million shares, if someone owns for a company at the price of $10, and the company doesn't have any existence. Literally, they don't have any factory or anything. If you see their number of employees, it's less than 500 employees, and the value of a stock has shoot up, and we'll look into those details more as well. Someone is also in the comments, someone is referring to the video that Kevin made from Meet Kevin. But it overall, as an investor, if you are thinking that Nikola is going to become next Tesla, then good luck with you. I mean, it can be, not saying it can't. It can actually beat Tesla, but at the same time, would you want to risk your hard-earned money with investment that you are not sure of, and you're not even 50% sure that it's gonna return you big numbers? So if you are early in your teens, or you have just started your career and you want to take risk, then go ahead. People are taking risk in Nikola, and that's what I've seen in multiple other subreddits as well. So this is another thing. Ironically, Nikola Tesla was the full name of the guy. So people are talking about Nikola Tesla. It might be a biggest prank, biggest investment prank ever. So that's another thing to consider. If it's not, then good luck with the investment and trusting on a company that currently doesn't have any infrastructure or anything. But good luck with that. I honestly think it's a fear of missing out that people are investing in Nikola stock, since I've seen a lot of people have invested in Tesla stocks earlier and made some big gains. So now everyone wants to do the same. So that's why Nikola is hyped. Then meet Kevin's video. I'll link that video in the description as well. He basically talks about Robinhood investors and how Nikola is a fake company. You should not invest in this. And long story short, I do agree with him as well. So moving on to statistics. Let's with the statistics, we want to check the financials of Nikola. If you see here, the cash on hand section, 75 million, which is an increase of 8,500%, because it basically didn't exist last year this time. This is year over year graph, so it still is in red. But honestly, revenue, you have seen the revenue. It's $58,000. So you can imagine what this company is, and how they're gonna come up with all the decisions and what this company's roots are. And then jumping on to Ford versus Nikola comparison. You see here, I opened a comparison here for between Ford and Nikola, and you see the value, the market cap here. Ford, with over 190,000 employees, has just over $25 billion market cap, whereas compared to Nikola, you see here 256 employees with a PE ratio of over 1,000. I think the market value is less than 24 billion, so close to what market cap of Ford is. So if you compare these two companies, then you can imagine what risk are you taking in? Basically, a company that has close to 200,000 employees and a base which has so many cars and so many trucks and so many other vehicles on the road, compared to a company that has 256 employees. I don't know where those employees sit or anything like that. Infrastructure wise, I have seen Ford's factory when I went to Michigan, but Nikola, compared to Ford, it has nothing for comparison. If we add Tesla here, let's see if we can add Tesla as well in comparison. Tesla with not Ford, but Nikola. Let's compare Nikola with Tesla. That will be an interesting comparison. So if you compare Ford and Tesla, so see, this increase, this hyped up increase, is definitely due to a lot of people who have missed out on the Tesla gains. So Tesla, if you compare here, was close to, Tesla is red, so it gained the market share, but it took a while for Tesla to gain this big market share. But compared to that, Nikola, like the gains you are seeing on the left side as a percentage, it has gained like crazy. The share value currently is $67, and I think this is another reason that a lot of people are able to invest in a stock. So if people are using Robinhood and they see fractional share opportunity, they can buy Tesla, but in most of the cases people still don't have the fractional share. So what they do is basically they'll go for Nikola Corporation, and you can see the market cap, 185 compared to $23 billion, and then again this is close to Ford market cap, which is insane if you think about it. And the number of employees, 256 compared to 48,000 employees. And the company Tesla, if you think about it, Tesla has so many other branches. The same owner, the same creator of Tesla is infamous Elon Musk, who has so many other ventures going on. SpaceX is one of them, and then so many other investments that he has made. So that's another thing to think about if you want to take a risk by investing in the company right now, which doesn't exist infrastructure wise or anything, doesn't have any employees compared to other companies, like literally 256 employees a small business can have. But the market cap, if it's close to 25 billion, if you want to count on that and invest in a company like that, then good luck, and let me know if you see any gains. And this is it. Thank you guys. I wanted to make a comparison between Nikola, Ford and Tesla. This is it. I hope you guys like this video. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll come up and make another video, something like this, giving some insights before you invest in any stock. Thank you guys. I hope I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.